Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the free tire diameter calculator tool. Let's go.
Upgrading your wheels? Watch out, you might actually be throwing off your car's entire calibration. A simple size swap can literally ruin your speedometer accuracy or even cause severe transmission wear.
Here's the golden rule, guys. Stay within a 3% diameter change from your factory tires.
So how do you actually decode that gibberish on your sidewall to check the percentage?
Well, tires usually come in two kind of confusing formats, P-metric or light truck.
P-metric totally hides the diameter inside the section width, aspect ratio, and rim size.
Light truck sizes, way easier. They just lead right off with the overall diameter in inches.
To skip the crazy math, just use the free tire diameter calculator right on our website.
Just plug in your size, no manual conversions needed at all, and hit calculate. Easy. Boom, you instantly get the exact diameter, sidewall height, circumference, and those crucial revolutions per mile.
Why do revs matter? Because they completely dictate your speedometer accuracy and ABS sensor calibration.
Now what if you want to compare your stock tire directly to a brand new upgrade?
The tool makes this totally effortless. Just type in your second size and hit compare.
It instantly shows color-coded differences side by side, plus calculates your exact speedometer error percentage.
This completely takes the guesswork out of plus sizing, while keeping your tire height perfectly consistent.
Remember, sticking to that strict 3% rule absolutely saves you from massive drivability headaches.
So head over to the website right now and try this free calculator tool yourself.
Are your current tires secretly in the danger zone? Run the numbers and find out.